Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the S-Flow mode for air conditioning on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go here on the right side of your steering wheel. You're going to find all of these buttons right here. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. So as you can see guys right here, these buttons are the buttons responsible for air conditioning on your car. So basically guys, if you set it to auto, it's going to be all automatic. If you you can adjust also from this wheel right here the degree that you want. Also here you can adjust it for the passenger seat, or click on dual in order to make them the same temperature. And right here you're going to find all of these buttons. As you can see guys, you can turn it off. Here you're going to find front conditioning, rear conditioning. Here you're going to find eco button, and so on. If you go here to the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find AC, and here the third option is going to be the option we're looking for. So in order to be able to turn it on, just give it a click and then you will see a yellow light once it's turned on. And if you want to turn it back off, just give it a click until you don't see the yellow light. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.